My name is Suryanti. I'm an activist from Migrant Worker Union. I'm ex-Jordan migrant worker. I'm interested topic in migration and climate change. In short, the relationship between migrant and climate change is that climate change acts as a push or trigger the, that force people to leave their homes, while migration is one of the consequences or adaptation strategies to impact of climate change. Okay. Global example, droughts and storm in Central America file crops and trigger migration. In Indonesia, example, rising sea levels in Mahakam Delta, its Kalimantan have forced residents to move and impact and future challenge. Climate change migration is not simple solution, but can create new social economic challenge for both migrants and host communities. Climate refugees often face vulnerabilities including discrimination, treatment, and the risk of deportation, even though conditions at their destination are already dangerous.
My name is Kasiati. I live in Jalan Jonda number 17, Pelandi, Wonosari District, Malang Regency, East Java, Indonesia, my country. I am working at government my village. I am at Malaysia migrant work from of buying and selling of people that intentionally harm other people or human trafficking crimes that must be eradicated in accordance with the human trafficking law number 21 of 2007. I am victim of human trafficking false document, overtime work, sexual harassment from an agency. Eating like a dog is more valuable than me. Dear foreign exchange, Victor, don't be afraid to take steps and feel stay motivated to achieve success. Migrant work, depart and return as entrepreneur. Migrant work must be protected and UUPPMI number 18 of 2017 must be implemented. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anita. I work as migrant activist at the Union of Indonesia Migrant Worker. Today I would like to briefly about the importance of social protection. Social protection, which include healthcare, insurance, and pensions, is essential to ensure that every worker can live and work safely and with dignity. Healthcare gives access to treatment when we are sick. Insurance protect us from accident of income loss, and pension give us security after retirement. Unfortunately, many migrant workers still do not have access to this protection. They often work without legal contracts of insurance, making them vulnerable to exploitation and poverty. That is why social protection must cover all workers, everywhere and without exception. Social protection is not a privilege, it is basic right for every worker.
Hello everyone, my name is Feli. I work as migrant worker activist at the Union of Indonesia Migrant Workers. Today, I want to share about the right to organize. Every worker, including migrant workers, has the right to organize and join union. This means they have the freedom to unite, to build organization, and to stand up for their rights. But many migrant workers still don't know or are afraid to use this right. When workers stand alone, they are vulnerable to exploitation and unfair treatment. But when they organize, they gain collective strength, the power to demand fair wages, safe working condition and dignity. A union is more than just organization. It's a community of solidarity where workers support one another and fight for justice together. Migrant workers should have the right to organize and join union because only by standing together can workers truly protect their rights and their future.
Hello, my name is Zurhan Afriadi. I really happy join to English for migrant activists. Discuss about migrant worker is fundamental issue is how to protect a child. It's mean how to give opportunity to child migrant worker to get good education, good health services, and safe employment regardless of their parent status. The government, the communities, and individual must have role to play. By working together, we can ensure this child are not forgotten. The quote is, let's stand up for child migrant worker. Their future is our shared responsibility. Thank you.